What's up, YouTube? Better go clean this charger out. It's been a cool minute since I did a video on it. So my wife, she likes this car a lot, and she's been trying to keep it. Only thing is, this car is meant to be a tax season car, so it's got to go. Switch this camera around. See that? I don't know if y'all can see it. Anyways, I got this new little thing. It's called a Movo. It's got a speaker on it. It's a DSE4. It was a little Christmas present I got. I love this thing. It is pretty cool. I'll show you out here later on. But this charger been running great. Put the seatbelt on. Dodge is always ding. It's been a fun car. We've had it for like maybe a month, 3 weeks now, maybe, I don't know. Not that long. And it's one of them cars I could probably keep and be alright with, but I just don't want to keep it. The rotors need to turn so bad. Every time you hit the brake, it just shakes and vibrates. I think what we're going to end up doing is trading this charger whenever I sell it. I'll go to Copart and find me like a Tahoe, like that. That's what the goal is going to be. With all the kids I got and stuff, it's probably smarter to just go ahead and do that. There's another charger. Challenger, my bad. That is a... What is it when I got the B on it? Super B or something? There's another one. Everywhere. That's another thing. I feel like Dodge is overrated. Like with all the cars they got. Everybody has a Dodge. I like the Camaros. Camaros are way better. But they're only 2-door. I don't know what's compared to them, like a Pontiac, but they don't even make Pontiac no more. I wish they made Pontiac. Those are my favorites. This used to be like the best car wash out here. I don't know what they did. They went out of business or something, but look at all those signs. And if y'all from Oklahoma, and y'all know what car wash I'm talking about, y'all know the pain. People just don't know. They just be wasting money. I guess they just got bought up by somebody else. And ever since then, they just went downhill. I mean, yeah, it's 41 degrees out, but still, if someone wants to come wash and clean their car out, they should be able to. I'm not paying to vacuum my car when I got a shop vac at the house, so I'll drive out the way just to go get this vacuum for free. That car looked empty too. That thing is nasty. Before. back of the house. Got the floors all clean. Got it all washed down. Now he's ready to go back and wipe everything down, clean it up. Get rid of the marker and that marker. Scrub it all down. So here's all the stains we gotta get out. And it is bad, really bad, and it is nasty, inside and out. So we're gonna do a lot of scrubbing, get everything clean. This is really bad, especially when you put a light on it. So that's what we're about to do. So here it is after it's all done. Got the door jambs clean. I had a lot of help from my crew. Ain't that right, Nat? You helped me a lot. So here's this side. All clean, smells good. Door panels. All the nasty spots that I showed are clean now. Cleaner. That was nasty. So everything's cleaned up. I just figured if I'm gonna do this every day anyways, might as well just do some videos on it. If anybody wants to get started on doing YouTube, don't be scared. Don't listen to all the people say, oh, don't do this, don't do that. Just do it. That's the best thing to do sometimes. Pick up your cell phone, start recording. Anything. I mean, that goes for anything in life. Just do it. If you want to do it, do it. Don't ask. Don't wait for someone to tell you to do it. They're not gonna do what. They're not gonna have the same mindset you are. And this goes way beyond YouTube videos. I mean, when I started buying and selling cars 4, 5, 6 years ago, everyone in the world said, oh, you're just going to be another car salesman or whatever. But they have no idea how much work I put into my cars before I sell them. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Hope y'all have a great New Year's. And a lot of successful things happen this year for you guys. In the meantime, I'll let y'all know everything that happens on this Dodge Charger. Hopefully we get it sold by the first year, tax season, sometime around then. And we get another car going. I'm running out of choices. I don't got that many cars left. But y'all have a great New Year. See y'all next time.